Hello, this is Ken Harrell, your South Carolina Assembly of God missionary to Honduras for over 10 years. Harrell Family Missions founded the Children's Gift Ministry. My family and I are so excited that we get to be a part of your upcoming Every Tribe, Every Nation Missions Weekend, February 24th and 25th. Crossroad kids, get ready because you're not going to want to miss this. We're going to have so much fun at the Kids Missions Workshop on Saturday morning. We're going to have fun and games and snacks, all while teaching about missions, and yes, the Choo-Choo-Wawa song. We also are going to be preparing for an inspiring mission skit that will be presented on Saturday evening at the Missions Banquet. Adults, you will not want to miss this. Then it'll all come to an awesome climax in Sunday morning's Every Tribe, Every Nation Missions Service. Please make sure to attend and invite all your friends to this year's Faith Missions Weekend, Every Tribe, Every Nation. God bless you and see you there.